Alright, Railfanning Adventures, Woodbourne Station. This is a westbound, Railroad West, actually southbound, stack train on the Trenton sub. Getting ready to pass under the NS Morphville line here. Fitting underneath the NS line here. It is a tight squeeze. Goes westbound, Railroad West, but southbound, heading towards Philly on the West Trent line. Alright, Railfanning Adventures, Woodbourne Station. This is Septa stopping at Woodbourne Station. It is heading Railroad East, north, to West Trenton after it stops here at the station. The light's going away, guys. The fall's here. We're starting to lose those long days of summer that I love so much, but catch a couple more trains while I still have the light here for you guys. Again, this is Septa heading to West Trenton. God, that horn sounds like crap. For me. Alright, Railfanning Adventures, Woodbourne Station. This is a Railroad West, but southbound CSX train. It looks like it might be trash heading south. I'm not really sure, but the odd thing is the door signal behind me keeps going from green to red red with the blinking yellow underneath. So I don't know if he's going through or if he's going to be doing some work here in the yard. I don't know. We shall find out. Again, I'm here at Woodbourne Station in the parking lot. Bringing you everything that goes by here today till I'm done. This is number 6 for CSX. Like to find some of these in Oscal. Yeah, we see these on both NS and CSX to move trash. Definitely want to get some more of these. To get some of those Pro cores. I definitely need some more of these in those scale. They're on my wish list for the PRR basement branch. This one here, this gondola, the old railgun. These are the ones I'm talking about, these Pro cores. They're cool. Here's an old railgun. Then I like to get this one, the gray Pro core, and this one with the blast plates. Well, I call them blast plates, but the steel plates. Here. I want to get a couple of those for my O-scale layout. Sean's putting together a video of those, the comparison to the ones that he has and the pictures I gave him of those particular cars up close and personal. Again, this manifest is heading south on the Trenton sub, passing me here at the Woodbourne station. There's the gentleman I was just talking to about railroad. Oh, there's a picture of one with the blast plate in the back at the end of the train, the end of the train device, which is odd. It's a TLX car with a flammable placard and there's no buffer car behind it. So they do run them with the end of train device. Railfanning Adventures, Woodbourne Station, on the CSX Trenton sub.